Mashed potatoes, the best yummy recipe. Peel the potatoes. If you peel more potatoes, it's better to soak them immediately in a boil of water so they don't turn brown. Wash the peeled potatoes well in cold water and cut them into smaller pieces. On one hand, they will be cooked earlier, and on the other hand, they will not be raw inside. Let the potatoes sit in cold water for about 10 minutes. The starch that makes the mash sticky will be removed. Then transfer the potatoes to cold salted water into the pot. We boiled the potatoes for about 20 minutes, drained the water, and now we have hot boiled potato pieces in the pot. Put a piece of butter in the hot potatoes, cover with the lid and let it melt. When the butter is melted, mash the potatoes with a hand whisk. Now add milk. If you had added the milk earlier, the mashed potatoes would have formed lumps. Mix everything well. Add salt if necessary. Excellent soft mashed potatoes is ready. Mashed potatoes are excellent with turkey roulade. You can find the recipe tomorrow in my next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. Bye!